Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is SRE. SRE stand for Site Reliability Engineering. Let's start it. Site Reliability Engineering (SRE) is a discipline that combines software engineering and operation to build and operate large-scale, highly reliable software system. Here are some key aspects of SRE. First is server level objectives. SLOs define metrics for server reliability and performance, setting targets for uptime, latency and error rates. Second is error budgets, calculating the allowed error rate based on SLOs, managing the trade off between future development and reliability. Third is blameless postmortems, conducting retrospectives allow outage or included focusing on learning and improvement rather than blame. Four is reliability engineering, designing system for failure and recovery, implementing redundancy, failure and self-healing machine mechanism. Five is monitoring and alerting, building monitoring system to detect anomalies and issues, setting up altering system for repaid response to include incidents. Six is incidents management, establishing processes for responding to incidents, coordinating efforts to resolve issues quickly and efficiently. Seven is capacity planning, predicting resources needs and scaling system accordingly, ensuring sufficiency capacity for growth and demand. Eight is continuous improvement, regular reviewing and improving SRE processing and systems, adopting new technology and techniques to enhance reliability. Some popular SRE tools and technology included first is Prometheus and Grafana for monitoring and altering. For second is Kubernetes for containers orchestration and management. Third is Terraform and Ensemble for infrastructure automation. Four is PagerDuty and for incidents management. Five is Google SRE book and AWS well architectured framework for guidance and best practices. Determine the reliability of a system is circular to ensure it meets the required standard. Here are some additional SRE topics. First is server level indicators, SLIS metrics that index the health and performance of a service. Example included latency, error rates and throughput. Second is server level agreement, SLAS formula agreement between teams for organization benefits of expected server quality and reliability standard. Reliability depth accumulated technicals depth that affected system reliability. Addressing reliability depth is circle to maintain system health. Four is toil, manual, repetitive and often boring task. Automating toil is essential to reduce the risk of human error. Five is automation, automating task and process to improve efficiency and reliability. Example included infrastructure automation, testing and deployment. Six is testing for reliability, testing strategies to ensure system reliability. Example included choice engineering, load testing and failure injection. Seven is reliability engineering maturity model, a framework to assess and improve reliability engineering practices. Helps the organization evaluate their current state and identify areas for improvement. Eight is SRE metrics, key metrics to measure SRE performances and reliability. Example included means time to detect MTTT, means time to resolve MTTR, and change failure rate. Some popular SRE books and resource included: first is the Site Reliability Engineering by Google, second is the DevOps Handbook by Jan Kim,